Hello everyone, my name is Mung Vaan and I am running to be on the Student Council Vice President. I am super excited about the chance to help make our school even more awesome. Imagine having crazy hat day, superhero day, or even a silly socks day. These days would make school even more fun. I will make field trips get more fun ever than before. I believe that when we work together, we can make our school a fantastic place. I will talk to teachers and students to gather ideas and make sure everyone's voice is heard. We can have fun events and learn new things together. Why you should vote for me? I am kind and always ready to help. I have lots of great ideas to make school fun. I will listen to you and make sure your ideas are heard. I love our school and want to make it the best it can be. In conclusion, I am really excited about the chance to be on the student council. I promise to work hard and do my best to make our school amazing. I hope I can count on your vote. Together we can make this the best year ever. Thank you for listening and have a great day.